No matter how effective a brightening skincare product is, it can't be effective on a dirty skin. Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be giving you guys 10 tips on how to achieve a glowing, radiance and brighter skin complexion. A major component of healthy skin is its natural glow, but factors like stress, lack of sleep, aging, or even what we eat can rob our complexion of its natural glow. But you can actually transform your skin from looking dull and tired to a radiant and glowing skin. Come along with me as I share with you some tips you can incorporate into your skincare routine to achieve that glowing, radiant, healthy and brighter skin complexion. The first tip is to cleanse your skin regularly. You want to thoroughly clean your skin of any dirt, oil or pollution particles that can actually clog your pores and cause dullness. No matter how effective a brightening skincare product is, it can't be effective on a dirty skin. Cleansing your skin also ensures that any additional skincare product you apply on your skin penetrates deep into the layers of your skin. So you want to make sure you are bathing twice daily. And if for some reason you can only bathe once a day, please make sure you are washing your face at least twice daily. First thing in the morning and before going to bed at night. Washing your face helps to get rid of all the build-up dirt and oils on your face, including your makeup. Because if you fail to remove all these oils, dirt and makeup on your face before going to bed, it can actually clog your pores, weigh down your skin and lead to a dull complexion. Also, if you are the type that wear heavy makeup during the day, make sure to double cleanse. That way there's no leftover makeup on your face. The second tip is exfoliation. Now, this is my favorite part of skincare because I love the way my skin feels immediately I finish scrubbing my skin. My skin always feels soft, so soft and smooth like a baby's skin. I'm serious, I kid you not. Now, there are majorly two types of exfoliants. We have the physical exfoliants, which are your sugar scrub, your salt scrub. We also have the chemical exfoliants. These are the alpha hydroxy acid and beta hydroxy acids, also known as your AHA and BHA. And examples of these acids are like glycolic acid, salicylic acid, lactic acid, citric acid. So all those acids are classified under your AHA and BHA. So you can use either of these exfoliants depending on your skin type. Yeah, your skin type will actually determine if you will be using a physical exfoliant or a chemical exfoliant. Also, the number of times you exfoliate in a week depends on your skin type as well. But the standard is 1 to 3 times in a week for your body and 1 to 2 times a week for your face. But if you have a sensitive skin, if you have a very sensitive skin, I will advise you exfoliate once a week and see how your skin tolerates it. If you keep exfoliating your skin regularly, you are consistently sludging off dead skin cells and allowing new and plump skin cells to appear on your skin, which is an important step towards achieving a brighter and glowing complexion. Another tip to a brighter and glowing skin is cell turnover. One key to brightening your complexion is cellular turnover, and you can achieve this by adding facial serums that are rich in antioxidants. Serums like retinol and vitamin C can actually help you to achieve this. Retinol is designed to penetrate deep into the layers of your skin, and that is why it's not advisable to use facial serums on your skin until you have thoroughly cleansed and exfoliated your skin for maximum effectiveness. You also want to incorporate vitamin C into your routine. Vitamin C is a naturally occurring ingredient that is excellent for boosting collagen production, which is actually important for generating healthy new skin. It also brightens your appearance, brightens your complexion, and fights free radicals on your skin. Vitamin C also delivers skin enhancing benefits that helps in rejuvenating your skin. The fourth tip to achieving a glowing and radiant skin is hydration. Dry skin equals dullness. So you need to use a good moisturizer because moisturizer protects your skin and reinforces its natural barriers. The thing is, when your skin is moisturized, when your skin is hydrated, it reflects light, which instantly makes your skin appear more glowing. So immediately after cleansing and exfoliation, you want to make sure you follow up with a very good moisturizer to seal up the moisture on your skin. You might want to consider getting moisturizers with hyaluronic acid because they help to retain moisture far more than any other ingredient. Another tip is for you to protect your skin from the sun. The sun depletes your skin of its essential fatty acids and hyaluronic acids, which can lead to skin dullness and hyperpigmentation. It causes aging and also thickens the epidermis, which causes dull complexion. So you want to make sure you are always using a sunscreen. I have a video about sunscreen on this channel. I'll leave the link up here. I'll also leave the link in the description box, so make sure you watch that video immediately after watching this video. That video will guide you on how to choose the right sunscreen for your skin type. Also, if you would be using ingredients like retinol, vitamin C, the AHA family, you can't escape sunscreen because these ingredients are actually photosensitive. Another tip is that don't skip your nighttime skincare routine. Daytime is always a busy time for everyone, and we might not really have the time to follow all the multi-steps involved in skincare routine. So you want to make sure you are taking good care of your skin at night. Another thing is that our skin actually gets the best regeneration at night. So you can further boost this regeneration process through your nighttime skincare routine. The next tip to a glowing skin is to always eat a balanced diet. You are what you eat. The type of food you eat or the quality of food you consume actually affects your health and the appearance of your skin. So you want to make sure you're eating more of foods that are high in fatty acid like fish, walnuts. Fatty acids are actually very important for healthy skin because they boost cell production, they reinforce skin barriers and also reduce inflammation. It's just like you are nourishing your skin from within. Also eat foods that are rich in antioxidants because antioxidants also helps fight skin inflammation and free radicals. So foods like walnuts, pumpkin, tomatoes are actually very good for the skin. They help to protect the skin. Chocolate is also very rich in antioxidants. Also reduce your alcohol intake. Alcohol actually dehydrates and dulls the skin. Another tip I want to share with you guys is to get adequate sleep. Not only is sleep important for our body to function properly, it is also important for healthy skin. Cell regeneration occurs at night while we are sleeping. So lack of sleep will lead to poor skin regeneration, which will then result in a tired and dull looking skin. Another tip is that you want to watch out for skin loving ingredients in your skincare products. Ingredients like retinol, vitamin C, licorice, kojic acid, alpha-arbutin, niacinamide, azelaic acid. All these ingredients are skin enhancing ingredients that has lots of skin benefits. Vitamin C and retinol takes care of hyperpigmentation. Alpha-arbutin clears dark spots. Azelaic acid provides inflammatory properties and they are very good for acne-prone skin. Application of these actives in your skincare products will actually help glow your skin over time. The last tip I would love to share with you guys for a brighter and glowing skin is to use a shimmery lotion or a glow oil to further boost your glow. Shimmery lotions combines the hydrating benefits of a moisturizer with the radiance boosting effect of a highlighter. You know that glow you get immediately you apply highlighter on your face during makeup. That's how your skin is going to look like when you apply lotions or skincare products that contains shimmery effect. That brings us to the end of today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please guys, if you enjoy watching this video, kindly click the like button. Also turn on your notification bell so that each time I post a new video, you'll be the first to know about it. Please guys, let us know in the comment section if you've tried any of these tips. Also, if you have any skincare products or skincare routine that you feel has helped you achieve a glowing and brighter skin complexion, please share them with us in the comment section as well.
Fading fast, I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery